Voyager 1. Whisper from the edge of the galaxy. Imagine this. For months, Voyager 1, a spacecraft older than the Internet, had gone completely silent. Over 15 billion miles from Earth, beyond the warmth of the Sun, there was nothing. No signal. No data. Just an endless, absolute quiet, a silence so deep it felt as if the universe itself had drawn a curtain. Scientists feared the worst. Had humanity's farthest explorer finally fallen into darkness forever? But then, a faint whisper returned. It wasn't a routine transmission. It wasn't a systems update. It wasn't even a glitch. What Voyager 1 sent back was something extraordinary. Something that shattered one of our oldest assumptions, that the space beyond the Sun's influence is empty. Because it isn't empty. Not at all. Voyager revealed structure, motion, pressure. It had crossed the threshold into interstellar space, and what it found changed our understanding of the galaxy itself. When Voyager crossed the edge of the heliosphere in 2012, it became the first human-made object to leave the protective bubble of the Sun. Most scientists expected the probe to drift silently, like a ghost ship, through an empty void. But in April 2024, after months of garbled transmissions, Voyager came back online. And what it started sending was unlike anything anyone had predicted. Beyond the solar winds, space hums. A deep, rhythmic vibration flows through the interstellar medium, faint but persistent, like the pulse of a vast, living organism. Voyager's plasma wave instrument picked up this constant oscillation, low and steady, echoing across the void. And that wasn't all. The spacecraft also recorded sudden spikes in plasma density, like echoes of ancient supernovae. It was as if Voyager were moving through the galaxy's memory, a record of stellar deaths and cosmic upheavals preserved in space itself. Interstellar space, it turns out, isn't silent. It is alive with currents, invisible winds, and magnetic streams. Voyager, our tiny metal emissary, is sailing through tides we never even knew existed. Its magnetometer detected violent twists in the galactic magnetic field, colliding with the Sun's own magnetic bubble like tectonic plates grinding together. This wasn't random chaos, it was structured, ordered, and meaningful. Some data suggested the Milky Way has a hidden skeleton, a magnetic framework guiding the flow of matter across the galaxy. Some regions repel cosmic radiation, while others channel it like invisible rivers of energy. Voyager stepped across thresholds, moving from one cosmic environment to another, each distinct, each alive. When NASA engineers discovered that a cosmic ray had corrupted one of Voyager's memory chips in late 2023, many feared the mission was over. But engineers refused to give up. Using commands that traveled 22 hours each way, they rerouted Voyager's software into unused memory, a kind of brain surgery performed across billions of miles. By April 2024, Voyager was alive again, instrument by instrument. Engineering systems, magnetometer, plasma detector, cosmic ray sensors. With each awakening, it began sending back unprecedented views of interstellar space. Voyager wasn't just repaired, it had become a new kind of explorer, mapping the galaxy in ways no telescope ever could. Voyager is now creating a living map of the interstellar medium, zones of magnetic pressure, clouds of plasma, corridors of radiation. Invisible cloudlets ripple like fog banks in the dark, each with its own fingerprint, unique density, temperature, and magnetic alignment. Scientists call it a landscape, invisible yet tangible, a cosmic ecosystem stretching for light years. These maps may one day guide future spacecraft, helping them navigate safer routes through natural magnetic shields, protecting travelers from deadly cosmic rays. Even more profound, Voyager is teaching us how the galaxy builds itself. These magnetic corridors and interstellar filaments may be nurseries for the next generation of stars, shaping clouds of gas into the suns of tomorrow. For decades, humans believed interstellar space was static and empty. Voyager shows it is dynamic, layered, alive. Its instruments record sudden fluctuations in plasma energy, invisible storms with multiple layers, boundaries, and even echoes. Some regions hum softly, others shimmer with turbulence. Space is not a void, it is a living, breathing environment. Voyager has also entered the local bubble, a vast invisible cavity hundreds of light years across, carved by supernovae millions of years ago. It traces the outer edges where plasma density and magnetic fields warp dramatically, capturing remnants of ancient stellar explosions. Voyager is traveling through a graveyard of stars, recording their echoes and magnetic imprints across eons. And perhaps the eeriest revelation of all, space is never truly silent. Even in the darkest void, Voyager detects a steady, low-frequency resonance, subtle but persistent. It changes as the probe moves, like the octaves of a cosmic symphony. Scientists debate whether this is natural resonance, turbulence, or something entirely new, an unknown vibration of the galaxy itself. Voyager 1 is transforming how we see the Milky Way. Space is not a blank canvas, it is a terrain, sculpted with memory, motion, and invisible architecture. Each pulse, each particle surge, each magnetic twist is part of a vast pattern, a map of the living galaxy. The edge of the solar system wasn't an ending, it was a doorway. Beyond the familiar planets and the protective embrace of the Sun's heliosphere lay a realm of mystery, cold and silent, stretching into the infinite dark. Voyager 1, humanity's small, golden-plated emissary, was never built to conquer or colonize. It was never designed to plant flags or claim territory. Its mission was far subtler, yet infinitely more profound: to listen, to observe, to record. To reach into the darkness with nothing but curiosity and the boundless audacity of human imagination. Decades have passed since its launch. Decades in which civilizations on Earth have raced forward, discovering new technologies, probing deeper into space, yet Voyager persists, faithful to its ancient mission. It drifts through interstellar space at unimaginable speeds, alone yet purposeful, still listening. Still whispering the secrets of the galaxy back to us through faint pulses of radio waves, barely more than a faint heartbeat across the cosmic void. Its instruments, weathered by time and radiation, continue to probe the unseen, measuring the winds of charged particles, the whisper of magnetic fields, the thin, distant hum of stars long gone. Voyager 1 reminds us of something profound, not about space itself, but about humanity. The greatest frontier has never been the planets, the moons, or the distant stars. It has always been our desire to understand, to reach beyond the limits of what we know, to ask the questions that keep us awake at night. Every mile Voyager travels, every data packet it sends home, is a testament to that insatiable curiosity, a proof that our thirst for knowledge is stronger than fear, stronger than distance, stronger than time. And so, the next time you gaze at the night sky, pause and imagine this. 15 billion miles away, past Neptune, past the Kuiper Belt, past the veil of interstellar dust, a solitary spacecraft drifts silently. Its golden disk, a time capsule of humanity's music, images, and greetings, carries the essence of us all. It is a mirror of our hopes, our fears, our dreams, and our longing to be remembered. And yet, even as it sails further into the unknown, it holds the potential to surprise us. The next signal it sends might challenge everything we thought we understood about the cosmos, about the nature of life, about the very fabric of reality itself. Voyager 1 is more than a machine. It is a bridge between the known and the infinite, a reminder that even in the darkest, coldest reaches of the universe, human curiosity lights the way. Every faint beep it sends across the void is a voice, a question, an echo of our collective wonder, calling out into the cosmic silence. Here we are. Tell us your story. And perhaps, somewhere in the deep expanse of stars and galaxies, the universe is listening